Hey guys, this is Miss Charm, and I am finally coming back with an update. Box braid, I guess look, because it's not a tutorial. My last box braids video that I did with the Xpressions hair, people really did like that, so I thought I'd come at y'all with an update on how I do, like how my box braids look. Sorry if I'm whispering. I have a 1-month-old baby who is sleeping in his crib to the right of me. I don't want to wake him up, so I thought this was perfect timing to record a video. So it's 2018. I did my box braids, and imagine doing them with a 1-month baby who strictly breastfeeds. It was difficult, but I got it done. Typically, it will take me roughly 4 hours to do my box braids in one straight setting. But with the baby, of course, I started my hair one day, and I think I got half of it done the first day, and that took me about 2 hours, and I completed it after he went to bed that night, and it took me about 2.5 hours to 3 hours to complete the top. So this installation took me about 5 hours, but they are longer and they are a little smaller than I normally do. But I used my Xpressions hair, okay, in the color 1. Okay. And this is 82 inches long. I used three packs of this cut in half. 3 packs cut in half. So 3 of these cut in half would be about 41 inches and feathered. So I did feather this hair. Feel free to look at the videos of how to feather hair. So like I said, these are a little smaller. I used perm rods at the end. I used about 5 of these on all my box braids. I didn't want the curls to be too tight, but they loosened up a little bit. I love the way it looked. It just looked carefree. Kind of reminds you at the end of the Fox locks how people have this look. These braids are definitely longer than I normally do. So let me just show you the plaits. Y'all know I don't do no particular part, so let me show you that. I never do no particular parting because I like my hair just to fall freely. I have been working out, which is what made me put the box braids in. So I just thought I'd come at y'all with a video. Like I said, I used 3 packs of hair. That's it. Cut in half. That's it. Because a lot of people think I use more hair or use some crazy extra technique. I do not. 3 packs of hair, cut in half, feathered. And then once I was complete, I wrapped these on there and I dipped them. That's it. And I dried it with a towel. And that's how I got the look at the end. I'm just going to turn around so y'all can see the back. I am a little under 6 foot. I would stand up, but I would have to walk all the way to the door. And y'all wouldn't really be able to see because I'm tall. So it really wouldn't be in the frame. So I'm just going to turn around and kind of just, you know, squat so that you can see how it looks. Okay, so I hope y'all can kind of see that. Like I said, these are long. They're pretty much so they fall like about here. Close up of the braids. Okay. So keep in mind that I'm not a professional or nothing. I do this to my hair. You know, very rarely do I braid other people's hair. I just like to braid my hair. I enjoy doing box braids in my hair. And I just think it's nice to come at you guys with an update on it, just to show y'all that y'all can do your own hair. You don't have to be a professional stylist or anything like that to put box braids in your hair. Just, yeah, so this is probably about my 8th installation of box braids in my hair. My other video, if you go to that, I use the same exact hair. The only difference is I cut it into 3. So the hair was a little shorter because I cut it into 3 sections instead of 2. So the hair, of course, was shorter. And I made those braids thicker, but they were still close together. So that actually had more hair in there. These ones are longer, but they are smaller. And yeah, I didn't use a lot of hair. Yeah, so pretty much that's it. This is Miss Charm, and this is my 2018 box braids update. And I really feel like with every installation, I love it more, more, more. The more I do my hair, the more I love it. Like, practice really do make perfect. Just take your time, give yourself time, and make sure you have the energy to do it. Okay, just make sure you have the energy to do it. And that's the best thing I could say. And technique is everything. I will try to make a video, y'all. I don't have, like I said, the proper camera set up. I would literally have to get somebody to record me installing my box braids because I don't have that. And I have a newborn baby. I can't afford to really be purchasing a lot of stuff right now. But yeah, if you have any questions, comment below. This is Miss Charm. Stay beautiful. Over and out.